I must say that today for us it is a dream come true. For a long time, in the company's strategy and plan, we had always thought about establishing a radio station in Bunyoro region. So you can imagine our excitement on the 7th of May when Kabalega FM went on air as we tested it. Barbara did explain why Bunyoro is important for us, but perhaps I'll just need to explain our strategy for the benefit of those who are here. So for a long time we had desired to set foot directly in Bunyoro and not just contribute but be a part of the socio-economic transformation that is happening in this part of the world. Kabalega FM becomes the 7th radio station under Vision Group. The other 6 are Radio West, which is based in Mbarara and serves the Ankole region. We have a radio in West Nile that serves both Upper and Lower West Nile. It's called Arua 1, based in Arua. For Central Uganda, we have Bukede FM. And then we have XFM, which is an urban radio station for mainly the young people. In Eastern Uganda, we have a radio, Etop Radio, based in Soroti. And for Northern Uganda, we have a radio in Gulu that serves both Lango and Acholi, called Rupin.
Move your body to the beat, don't stop.